There's the horn. Heat number 4 is underway as they turn and burn out of the figure 8 pattern. It is Crystal Mooney Equine Therapy on the outside. It is Bellevue Garage on the inside, and from the backside, it is Drive-In Heavy Duty making their way around corner 1 and into corner 2. It is Bellevue Garage by a horse length. Crystal Mooney Equine Therapy in second place. And here comes Drive-In Heavy Duty and Hayden Rooks. As they go down into corner number 3, it is still Kevin Garrow, Bellevue Garage. But he's got company at his right elbow in the form of his Bueller and Crystal Mooney Equine Therapy. And here comes the Drive-In Heavy Duty Hayden Rooks. Down the stretch they come. It is Bellevue Garage and Kevin Garrow. He's going to take this one by a length. Bueller, Crystal Mooney Equine Therapy